Okay mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MO4 Real Estate Corporation. Welcome to Mirror Valley at Havala Township. So come and join me, let's have a tour of our model unit here in Mirror Valley, our dressed up unit. So tara, pasok po tayo. So yung mga kabahay, welcome to our house model here in Mirror Valley, our dressed up unit. So tara, I will tour you around sa ground and second floor ng house model na to. So yung mga kabahay, so pagpasok po ng pinto, ito po yung dining area. And then, may sliding door papunta sa lanay. And nandun naman po yung kitchen area. And ito naman ang living area. So, ayan, nasa loob ulit tayo. So, tara, punta tayo sa second floor. So, sa second floor po mga kabahay is may 3 bedrooms. May 1 master's bedroom and 2 smaller bedroom. May common toilet for the other 2 bedrooms and yung master's bedroom is may toilet mismo. So, puntahan natin yung first bedroom. So, ito po yung first bedroom. Ito naman po yung common toilet. And ito po yung hallway natin. And nandito yung isang bedroom. Yan mga kabahay. So, puntahan natin yung master's bedroom. So, ito po yung master's bedroom. So, malaki po. Paglabas po is may balcony. So, sliding door po yan. And dito sa master's bedroom is my walk-in closet. And toilet and bath. Yan. Yan. Balik tayo sa ground floor. So, welcome back mga kabahay. Again, I'm Agent J, Real Estate Salesperson from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. And just now, I just tour you around to our model unit here in Mirror Valley, our dressed up unit. So, again, just an overview of Mirror Valley. Mirror Valley is a pre-selling project, still on pre-selling, inside Havala Township in Antipolo City, developed by Pininvest Land. Ang mga offerings po namin dito is mga house and lot package for now because sold out po yung mga lot only. So, yun, kung naghahanap po kayo ng pre-selling house and lot in Antipolo City from a top-notch developer, so tama-tama ang Mirror Valley para sa inyo. So, I'm open po for side viewing anytime. So, you may contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MF4. Thank you for watching and see you in Havala Township. Bye!